Hello. In the previous lecture, we have seen that we have solved one problem. Now we will see the second problem. Uh, See the problem. Machine A cost rupees 9,000. Annual operating cost is rupees 200 for the first year, and then it is increases by rupees 2,000 every year. In this problem, for the machine A, you have to calculate what is the best age of the replacement of the machine A. That means when the machine A should be replaced. Okay. Now, the part B of the question is that another machine B, which is having cost rupees 10,000, and similarly the annual operating cost is rupees 400 for the first year, and then gradually it increases by rupees 800 every year. Okay, so in this problem you have to find out the best age of replacement of these machine, that is machine A and machine B. Now we have the machine A which we have purchased it previously, which is 1 year old now. Okay, and now the machine B, which is new, is in the market, introduced in the market, and you have to decide whether the machine A is beneficial for us or machine A should be replaced by B or not. Okay, and again another question is that if machine B is profitable to purchase, then when should machine A be replaced? Okay, that is the question. So what happens, as we have discussed earlier, that when the replacement may be due to the gradual failure, or may be due to the obsolescence. Obsolescence means if the machine, if any machine is performing, is become obsolete when another new machine of higher capacity is available in the market, then the machine, another machine, that is new machine, that will be more profitable. In that condition, in that situation, it is not profitable to run the old machinery. Okay, so in that case the machine, the new machine will be more profitable, so that the machine A, which is not failed but it is not profitable to run that machine, that is the condition of the obsolescence. Okay, so now let's see the problem. Here for machine A, we have to calculate what is the best age of replacement of the machine and what is the average annual cost of that machinery. So in the previous lecture we have solved a similar problem. Make the tabular format, that is row 1 to row 7. Okay, see that as in the our given problem, that the machine A is having no resale value. Okay, the machine is having no resale value, that's we have written the zero value in the row 2, column 2. Okay, I have written here row, by mistake it should be a column. Then observe that the column 6 is indicate that the total cost, and column 7 indicates that it is the average annual cost. Suppose, and we have calculated that the annual maintenance cost, that for the first year the annual maintenance cost is rupees 200, and then the annual maintenance cost gradually increases by rupees 2000. Okay, so for first year it is 200, then for the second year it is 2200, and then again increases by 2000, then it will become 4200, then 6200, and then 8200. Okay, and in the column 5 we made the cumulative sum of that is 200 plus 2200, that is 2400. Okay, so the column 5 that indicates, suppose take example for the row 3 and column 5, that rupees 6600, what does it indicate? That rupees 6600, it indicates that the up to 3 years the maintenance cost is rupees 6600, means that up to 3 years we have spent 6600 rupees on the maintenance. Okay, similarly observe the row for the third year and the column 6, that the cost is a rupees 15600. Okay, 15600, what does it indicates? That up to third year that we have spent 15600 rupees for the consistently 3 years. That means totally we have spent 15600. Okay, and the average annual cost, look at the column 7, the average annual cost is rupees 5200. This means that for consistently, if you are using the machine for the 3 year, the per year annual cost of running this machine is 5200. Okay, so this cost indicates that the for the third year this cost is rupees 5200, which is minimum than for other years, that is for the first, second, fourth and 5 years. This 5200 is minimum, and again in the fourth year this cost is going to be increase. Okay, so the best age of replacement for this machine A is third year. The machine should be replaced at the end of third year, and the minimum cost at this point is rupees 5200, while the during the fourth year the cost is going to increase, hence we can use that machinery up to third year. So this is our answer. Now similarly we can calculate the for the machine B, same calculation is done. The but in this problem the year is not given, how much year we have to, for how much year you have to calculate the age of replacement. You have to calculate by your own, means you have to calculate for the year up to 5 or 6 year. In this year, by after doing the calculation, you can see that during the fifth year you will get the minimum value, and this cost is going to increase during the sixth year, means at this point you should stop to calculate. Okay, this is a common sense problem. So similar calculation we have done in this for the machine B. The resale value is also 0, and again from this problem you can see that during the fifth year the average annual cost is rupees 4000. Average annual cost is rupees 4000. uh, so from this we can say that the this cost rupees 4000 is less, and again the average annual cost goes on increasing during the sixth year, means that the best age of replacement of machine B is after 5 years, means we can use the machine up to 5 years, and at the end of 5 years we can replace the machine, and it is a profitable decision for us. Okay, so the best age of replacement is at the end of year fifth, and where the average annual cost is rupees 4,000. Okay. Now, what is our question? We have the two options for the machineries, that is for machine A and machine B. Okay. So, should we replace machine A by machine B? Then our answer will be we will replace machine A by machine B. Why? Why? So the answer is because the average annual cost of the machine B is rupees 4,000, whereas the average annual cost of the running the machinery A is rupees 5,200, which is very high compared to machine B. Hence, the running of the machinery B is profitable for us because the cost is less, that is rupees 4,000. Hence, we can replace machine A by machinery B. So that is our answer. Now the question arises that when should machine be replaced by the machine A, as the machine A is 1 year old. As we see that during the first year, from the table of the machinery A, please go through that we have spent rupees 9,200 on the machinery A during the first year. We have spent because we have purchased the machine already, means we have spent that cost. Then we have purchased the machinery, so the cost of that running that machinery plus cost of purchasing that machinery, that total cost rupees 9,200, that we have paid, we have given up that money. So this is the cost for the first year. Now see that as we have purchased it the machinery for the first year, we have paid the money to the supplier. Okay. Now the total cost of the running machine during the second year मध्ये मग कशाचा खर्च लागेल की 11,400 मायनस 9,200, म्हणजे जी टोटल कॉस्ट आहे सेकंड इयरची 11,400, त्याच्यातून आपण फर्स्ट इयरची कॉस्ट मायनस करू 9,200, म्हणजे जी आपण ऑलरेडी दिलेली आहे, म्हणजेच रुपीज 2200 मीन्स काय आहे की दॅट इज द ओनली द मेंटेनन्स कॉस्ट वी हॅव टू इन्कर. म्हणजे दुसऱ्या वर्षी येणारा खर्च हा आपला फक्त 2200 रुपीज राहील, जो की फक्त मेंटेनन्स कॉस्ट. नाव सी the total cost of running during the third year, that is 15,600 minus 11,400. See from this table, 15,600 minus 11,400, म्हणजे तिसऱ्या आणि दुसऱ्या इयरच्या कॉस्टचा डिफरन्स, that is rupees 4200, means against that is the maintenance cost 4200. And similarly, we have calculated the running cost machine during the sorry, here not a second, here for the fourth year, that is 21,800 minus 15,600, that is equals to 6,200. As we have seen that की आपण जर का दुसऱ्या वर्षी मशीन वापरली तर आपल्याला फक्त मेंटेनन्सचा खर्च लागेल 2200 रुपये. आपण तिसऱ्या वर्षी मशीन जर का वापरली तर आपल्याला खर्च लागेल 4200 रुपये, आणि जर का ती चौथ्या वर्षी वापरली तर 6,200 रुपये खर्च लागेल. सो फ्रॉम द अबोव कॅल्क्युलेशन, the cost of running machine A during the third year is that is 4200, आणि ही कॉस्ट जी आहे 4200, दॅट इज मोर दॅन द ॲव्हरेज ॲन्युअल कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीन बी. मशीन बीची जी रनिंग कॉस्ट आहे ती 4,000 आहे, आणि 4,000 असल्यामुळे आपल्याला मशीन बी परचेस करणं परवडेल. केव्हा की मशीन ए आपण दुसऱ्या वर्षीपर्यंतच यूज करायची, म्हणजे 1 वर्ष जुनी झालेली आहे, आणखी 1 वर्ष यूज करायची, म्हणजे आपल्याला खर्च लागेल फक्त 2200 रुपये. ठीक आहे. 2200 रुपयानंतर आपल्याला तिसऱ्या वर्षी खर्च लागणार आहे 4200, तर तो 4200 अवॉइड करून आपण 4,000वाली जी मशीन आहे ज्याचा आपल्याला पर इयर 4,000 रुपये पेड करावं लागेल अशी आपण मशीन परचेस करू. याचाच अर्थ की मशीन बी जी आहे सॉरी मशीन ए जी आहे ती आपण आज आपल्याकडे ती 1 वर्ष जुनी आहे आणि आणखी आपण 1 वर्ष वापरू म्हणजे दुसऱ्या वर्षी वापरू दॅट इज आणि त्याचा खर्च येणार आहे आपल्याला 2,200 रुपये अँड हेन्स we can replace that machinery after 2 years. So that is 1 year hence from now. This is our answer. Okay, so this is the question. If you have any queries regarding this, you can call to me.